Although it may seem strange, and it certainly is a departure from conventional growing, many gardeners are embracing an interesting way of growing tomatoes: upside down. This container method of growing is particularly well suited to serve in this fashion. 7 benefits of growing tomatoes upside down. 1. Awesome limited space growing technique. If you have limited space for growing but still want to enjoy delicious homegrown tomatoes, the upside down method may be your best option. If you have a sunny balcony or patio, your upside down tomatoes will happily provide a generous harvest. 2. No stake struggles. If you have grown conventional tomatoes before, you know well the challenge that staking brings. Sometimes the stakes break, sometimes they aren't big enough, sometimes they interfere with the growth of the plant, and sometimes they just don't work. When you grow tomatoes in an upside-down fashion, your staking struggles will end. 3. Less disease and pests. Growing tomatoes upside down helps to eliminate nasty pests like cutworms and disease like ground fungus. This means healthy plants and less work for you. 4. Easy to set up. It is easy to set up an upside-down planter and takes less time than conventional gardening. There is no digging required, which makes this a simple project for anyone. 5. Fewer weeds. Growing tomatoes in a conventional fashion almost guarantees that you will have weeds. When you grow tomato plants upside down, there is virtually no exposed soil, so no way for weeds to take hold. 6. Better air circulation. Upside-down planters allow for excellent air circulation, which is vital to the health of plants. Since the containers are suspended, air can move freely around the plant. 7. Portability. Once you put a tomato plant in the ground, that is where it is going to stay. As long as you place your upside-down planter where the tomato plant will get plenty of sunshine, you can move it around as desired. You can even bring it indoors for the night if the temperatures are forecast to become cold. 4 challenges of growing tomatoes upside down. 1. Watering. Container gardening presents a challenge for watering, and growing tomatoes upside down is no exception. Containers dry out quickly and can just as easily be overwatered, leading to rot. 2. Hardware. Upside-down tomato planters can be heavy. If you don't have the correct hanging hardware or DIY skills, it can be a disaster. 3. Sun. As mentioned above, tomatoes require plenty of sun to thrive. If you don't have a sunny spot on your patio or balcony, your plant will not produce as it should. 4. Wind. Depending on where you live, your upside-down planter may take quite a spin and beating in the wind. Provide protection if possible. Keep your bucket well watered, but not waterlogged. Pick tomatoes as soon as they are ready and to encourage more fruit. Once you've mastered growing tomatoes upside down, try cucumbers, peppers, jalapenos, and more.